This is the last of the Christmas presents. It's the big surprise for Nathan and Taylor. I'm sure they're going to love it. Oh my, what is that? Oh. Here they come.
What is it?
For the big reveal.
Wow!
No.
Look
What
over
is
here.
that?
A bouncy house.
Yeah.
A bouncy house, yeah.
Woohoo.
Oh my goodness.
I think he's a little excited.
What is it?
Jump! Jump!
Do you want to get in?
Not yet. You gotta
You
jump
jump
first.
Wow. Something for them to get their energy out.
You want to get into it?
Since they jump all the time on the furniture, maybe they'll stop.
Put you in with your brand new tennies, it's fine.
It ain't gonna hurt that much.
Okay.
Very cool.
Jumpy, jumpy, jumpy.
Ooh, there'll be a nap in no time.
Taylor can't jump.
That's okay. She's just getting used to it. She wants to try it out too. Do you like it? Guess who that's from? Guess who that's from?
What?
It's from Grammy and Papa Leo.
Hope you like it.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Say thank you.
It's too jumping.
She's just learning how to stand on it.
Now she is. I think they like it. Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.